अगर देखा जाए तो 70% लोग जो इस वेव में भर्ती थे या पिछले वेव में तक भर्ती थे, उनकी उम्र 40 से ज्यादा थी। और इस वेव में जो ज्यादा देखा गया वो मैं बताता हूं, 0 से 19 वाले लोग थोड़ी से मार्जिनली ज्यादा थे, जिसे कहा 5.8% वर्सेस 4.2%, और 20 से 40 वाले भी 25.5% वर्सेस 23.7%। तो बहुत मार्जिनल डिफरेंस था, मगर ये एम्फेसाइज करने वाली बात है कि 70% से ज्यादा दोनों वेव्स में 40 की उम्र से ज्यादा थे।
Here in the second wave, we have found that the oxygen utilization has been found to be 54.5% versus 41.1%. So it is higher in the second wave, number one point. The second point is requirement of mechanical ventilation is 27 versus 37. So it is much less. So ventilator requirement is much less, yet oxygen requirement is higher.
Pandemic wave, under 30 years group constituted and contributed 31% of cases, and now this year 32%. So essentially no difference. पहले भी इनफेक्ट हो रहे थे, अब भी इनफेक्ट लगभग उसी प्रोपोर्शन में हो रहे हैं, ये क्लियर इमर्ज होता है। अगर हम 30 to 40 का ग्रुप लें, 30 साल और उससे ऊपर, और 41 साल से नीचे 40 साल तक, then it is 21% and 21%, exactly the same. So this demonstrates, and then of course 40 and above is the remaining proportion that is left out of that, which is about 48%. So essentially the main message to you is that there is no overarching extra proportion of excess risk of young people becoming COVID positive. जो पहले थे, जितने थे उतने ही हैं। जैसे मैंने दोबारा कह रहा हूं, 30 से नीचे थे 31%, अब 32% हैं, और 30 और 40 में 21% थे, अब 21%।
Recovery trial was also a negative study. It did not show any benefit as far as remdesivir was concerned as in the treatment of COVID-19. So it's important to understand that remdesivir is not the magic bullet, and it is not a drug which is decreasing mortality. However, it does have a role, and therefore it is being used that we may use remdesivir because we don't have a good antiviral drug. We have made major advances in the management of COVID in terms of vaccines, but we have not made any major advance in finding a very good antiviral drug. Remdesivir was shown to be useful only in those patients who were hospitalized, who had fallen oxygen saturation and had infiltrates on the chest X-ray, usually on the 5th to 7th day. And it was then said that it could decrease the viral load, or it could be useful for viremia. It is of no use if it is given early in mild or asymptomatic individuals, and it was of no use if it was given very late, because then you have more of cytokine storm rather than having the infection.
Lots of us have been saying also that the virus is down but not out, and we have to keep our care, extreme care, because it may come back any time, and that's what essentially has happened. And it is normal in this kind of infection, the virus keep mutating, and whichever variant or whatever mutation is more efficient in spreading will become more and more common, and that is normal process of evolutionary selection. And that is what happening to with this virus also. If you have large number of people infected, then more chance of new variants emerging is higher. That's why lots of variants are emerging and will emerge in India, because we are going to have now the largest number of the infected people. The trick of this virus is that I will not even know that I am infected, right? So unless I am tested. So if maximum number of people we can test, of course there is strategy, there is suspicion, more cases are rising and so on, go and test most people there and isolate those who are infected so that new cases don't appear so much. Then people, those who have not been tested, they should always assume that virus may be there, I may be carrying the virus. So I each time consider other person as susceptible and may get infected, and vice versa, and therefore all the time wear mask. There is no need to do big marriage parties, there is no need to do temple activity, political rallies. They all are going to cast very heavy on us. It's very, very disappointing that knowingly we have allowed this virus to become a dominant factor now, and we are in a big trouble. We can manage now when we start at war footing, that nobody, you can go out of the house, it's not, but always wear the mask. Open in the air virus is not so much, but don't cluster. Don't go on a tea stall and cluster with 4 people and wear and drink tea. Avoid those things for a few months.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.